Hello everyone, this is a video to enter the 2B pick giveaway that Culper is doing, which is pretty damn cool. Both Culper and 2B deciphered. I was looking through my drawer of locks to see what one I would do, and I found this one. It's a cute little oval lock that I got from the UK. It's a union lock, it's a 5-pinner. And actually you see this mess right here on my desk, which is because I'm practicing for the twin combi at the minute. And actually, if you put them together, you can see just how cute the union oval already is. Really nice simple lock. Here's the key. It's actually got some pretty nice bitting. So yeah, should make for a pretty fun pick. The dream would of course have been to pick the twin combi and put the hashtag to be pick giveaway in the title, but that is unfortunately a bit away. So I thought I would go with the little, or a bit safer option in it. Kind of standard 5-pinner with some spools in it instead of, well, the monster that is the twin combi. So yeah, let's get on to picking. I believe this is one of those locks that just has 4 spools and then 1 standard pin somewhere. So I'm currently searching for a binder. There we are. We got a little faucet. And now we need to find some pins with counter rotation. So we got some counter rotation on 4. We got to click out of that one. Yeah, since I mostly do high security locks on this channel, mostly for like belt requests and whatnot, and I'm more interested in high security belts, high security locks I mean. It is sometimes nice to remind yourself, or to remind myself, what, well, 99% of the locks out there are actually like just a pin tumbler with maybe a spool or 2 that you can SPP. Actually, probably the time that this is taking me. Okay, it wasn't that bad. I was about to say if this takes me more than 5 minutes, then it would have taken me longer than picking it over 3KS, but I'm not that out of touch with reality. But here we go. The cute little union oval. Picked. So yeah, thank you to be Deciphered and Culper for doing this giveaway, and thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.